Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So, the other time I made soya milk. I already made some, and one friend said maybe you should try to make oat milk. So this is the oat milk. This is the oat, and I have and soak it overnight. Come to this stage. And you want to put enough water. The total capacity. Total capacity of this is 6 cups, so I can at least put 4 or 5 cups. It will not get. It will not. It will not explode. Let's say. So this video will be very, very noisy, and I will blend it for something like 5 minutes. Let's do it. Now it needs to take a break, and then we will blend, continue blending. Maybe some water doesn't help, or doesn't hurt, right? Still put some water in. Oh, sorry, you cannot see it. So I will drain it, screen it, and drain it. This one, it is your choice to throw it away or not. If you do not want to throw it away, when you do some cooking, and for example, let's say you do cooking the meat, or cooking vegetable if you are vegetarian. Usually, if you make this, you probably vegetarian. You do some stew kind of food, and you want to reduce, make into the reduction. This can be used for the reduction. It has a little bit texture, a little bit starchy, and will be just good enough. So we are done with this. Okay, so I cool down the pot for some time so that it settle, and then bring it to big bottle. This way I can keep it for longer time. And when you pour it into this bottle, just put the upper part. The bottom still have some heavy stuff that not so refined. It depends on your preference of texture. I want it more smooth, so only use the upper part. That's about it. You can enjoy this oat milk. Bye bye, friends. Goodbye, bye.